Dear students, welcome to our class on short, medium and long range weather forecasting for agricultural meteorological purposes. Of course, for general purposes and for agricultural meteorological purposes, almost these are the same nowadays because of the advances in the technologies and then advances in the ICTs, information and communication technologies for reaching the end users. Most importantly to the farmers. Of course, as I said in the beginning, so that's why I request you please subscribe to my channel Agrometeorology, Farmers and Rural. But there I told there are three types of weather forecasting: basics. Here we are talking about the advances. Now, so there are in general there are three types of weather forecasting: short range weather forecast, medium range weather forecast and long range weather forecast. What is short range weather forecast? It is again divided into three. So what are those three? Short range forecast is again divided into nowcasting, NC, acronym is NC. Very short range weather forecast, VSR acronym, that is up to 12 hours. Nowcasting, the definition 0 to 2 hours. Very short range weather forecast up to 12 hours. Short range weather forecast from 12 hours to 72 hours. That means the validity period of short range weather forecast is 3 days. Of course, nowcasting 0 to 2 hours. Very short range up to 12 hours. Okay, 12 hours to 72 hours is the short range weather forecast. Now, what is medium range weather forecast? The acronym is MRF. It is 3 to 10 days or sometimes 12 days. We call it a long range weather forecast. LRW, it is from 12 to 30 days up to 2 years. Can you imagine? So that's what we are going to discuss. Now, the dominant technology for nowcasting, very short range and short range weather forecast is analysis techniques, extrapolation of trajectories, empirical models and methods derived from forecasters' experience. That's what we call it as the terms of rule. Basic information is presented by data from networks of automatic weather stations, maps from meteorological radar, images from meteorological satellites, local and regional observatories. Now, so the spatial resolution of this nowcasting is 20 to 2 kilometers. That's what we call the gamma mesoscale rate. Now, as I said, the validity period of short range weather forecast VSR is up to 12 hours. So, the area, of course, the dominant technology is same as that of nowcasting. Now, the area, okay, spatial resolution is 200 to 20 kilometers. That is, of course, beta mesoscale range. Now, let us go to what is short range weather forecast. It is 12 to 72 hours. Here, the most important thing is that in addition to dominant technology, what we follow in nowcasting NC, very short range forecast VSR, short range weather forecast SRF. In the SRF, what we follow is the SRF can represent a fundamental piece of information for the farmers. For the first time, the farmers get the benefit from this 12 to 72 hours. The other two are for civil protection. That means that includes farmers protection and transportation. So, usually nowadays these two are also extensively used by farmers. Now let us go to the third one. Of course, nowcasting, very short range and short range weather forecast, these are all one, and medium range weather forecast. The medium range weather forecast, the validity period is, as I said, it is just 3 to 10 days, sometimes up to 12 days. Now, see, this medium range weather forecast is very much useful. Of course, is in the spatial resolution is called alpha mesoscale range, 2000 to 200 kilometers. Alpha mesoscale range. Okay. Now, see, very important thing about the medium weather forecast is farmers can plan a labor requirement, farmers can plan money requirement for agriculture, bank requirements he has to go and then apply for the loans and everything. based on the medium range weather forecasting for different agricultural purposes, services, and everything. Now, you see here, a very interesting thing as far as MRF concerned is this bit will come. What is that? Ensembling or ensemble mean, we call it as the ensembling or ensembling mean, or sometimes ensemble forecasting. What exactly is the meaning of ensemble? I will tell. Techniques, okay, of ensembling forecasting or ensembling mean, anything you call it as, are adopted in order to overcome the problem of skill typical of forecasters based on numerical weather prediction models. I again read. Techniques, of course, or technologies of ensembling forecasting. Ensembling means, we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6 different forecast models. We take it as the base for the base. Okay. Now we ensemble them. We mean them, so that the accuracy is very important. That's why techniques of ensembling forecasting are adopted in order to overcome the problem of skill typical of forecasters based on numerical weather prediction models. Instead of using just one model, okay, we just run not only one model, we run several models simultaneously. This may result in, of course, different initial conditions we take. Of course, the average is ensemble mean of the different forecasts. It is created, and this ensemble mean helps in more skill, in accuracy of the forecast. In addition, it is possible to forecast probabilities of different conditions. Temperature, rainfall, humidity, pressure, wind, even including cloud cover, how they are going it. Of course, as I said, 2000 to 200 kilometers is the alpha mesoscale range for spatial resolution. The last one, long range weather forecast. Very simple, same as the medium range weather forecast. However, here what we do is an extended range weather forecast, ERF, beyond 10 days up to 30 days. We just take it. Time, of course, I have already told it is 12 days to 1 month, or sometimes even up to 1 year, sometimes even 2 years. For example, in some books you will find it. So this is what statistical models and then of course simulation models are used here. Like ensembling technologies in medium range weather forecast, here what we do is we couple atmospheric models with ocean general circulation models. Atmospheric models to ocean general circulation models. These two we ensemble. We just couple it and then give the weather forecast for its accuracy. Thanking you for your patient hearing.